Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Thanks for being at my channel. I am going to do a gradient pour, or a Dutch pour, with the pearl paints by Amsterdam. I've seen Ritske Downa do many videos with these paints and they're awesome. And I've had some pearl paints for a while, but I haven't used them in a while, so I want to try something that she did. If you haven't checked Ritske out, where have you been? Miss Dutch Pour? No, she's awesome. Check her channel out as well. Okay, so I'm just going to blow this base out and we will start. I hope that's enough. All right, sorry about that. Here we go. Done. Now when Ritske did her video, she used like a deep green, like I don't know if hunter or sap green it looked like. But this is Payne's Gray. I'm just going to try Payne's Gray. Because they're both very, very dark. It'll probably look similar, you know. So let's get with it. Now I'm going to use all of the pearl colors. All they have, except white, pearl white. I'm not using it, not today. So I'm going to start with pearl violet. And I'm going to start like right in here. And then I'm going to come over here. Well, I tell you what, let me layer these first and I'll go back. So here's the blue, pearl blue, and all these are by Amsterdam, even the Payne's Gray. Pearl green, pearl red, and yellow. Okay, and then I'm going to start over and go violet, blue, and then green. Oh, I'm just putting big ones on a green. Red. Maybe I'll make red come down this way a little and then back up. It's a lot of paint. Okay. All right. Now then, we are ready. Boy, that's a lot of paint. I just put a ton on there, didn't I? Oh, goodness. All right. I just want to make sure I got a little bit of this around. All the way around. All right, let's blow it out, see what happens. First, I'll torch maybe just a bit. All right, here we go. There we go. Wow, you can already see the colors, but they say it's better when it dries, so we'll see. Okay, I'm just gonna mess around with it a little bit. Hey everyone, I am breaking in at the very end of this because I want you to wait till the end. It won't take but just a second and you will see this dry with the resin on it. It is absolutely amazing. These colors are beautiful. To me it looks like kind of like a smoke cloud. I don't know, I think it's awesome. So I just wanted you to stick around just for a second here and see the end. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time, all right? Take care. Bye-bye.